You're fantastic. I know you're going to be a great typist one day. I will want to fly for you. Ah, 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 ah. I think my nose. Oh no, it's a Mario's Export Express. Oh, nice computer you got here, and I have it. Oh, that wasn't as fast as last time. Let's try again, okay? Oh, I always wanted to type it. Mario's going to love the challenge. Okie dokie. Get ready to move your fingers. Oh boy, finally, I'm gonna get the move on the ground. Here we go. Move on the ground, move on the ground. And where am I go? Oh, there you are. I'm afraid you can't do this. Whee! Oh no, I'm falling. I can't get out. That is my impression of American advertising. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, you got a good job for Mario. Typing is fun. Hey, I got something in my eye. Can you help me get it out? Okie dokie, princess. It's your turn to cry. When I kiss the princess, I will get the pie, baby. Mm. Can I sing a song for you? I won't hit you on like a big pizza pie. That's amore. When he loves you down, and he takes a bite of your snout. That's amore. Hey, amore here. I sing it funny. Hey, I wonder if there's a hidden treasure down there. Hey, Luigi, it's a time for you to die. Have you seen Luigi? Huh? Hello there. Are you ready to dive? Oh, then let's go. Oh, you're getting faster. Keep it up. Hey, who's that behind you? Megalo, Megalo. That was great. What a great game. That was fantastic. See you next time. Okay, bye-bye. Peekaboo. Oh, you're doing great. Look at more contours. Ah. Oh, boy, look at that keyboard. I think you're going to have that with my buddy. Say I'm a phone, and you are a fool. That's what time it is. It's time for you to die. Let's do this. Okie dokie. Now we go to the advanced level. Watch out for falling rocks. Scary. Oh, hello. It's me, Mario. And I want to thank you for choosing Mario Teaches a Typing. I know you're going to be a great typist. Welcome to the intermediate level. You're going to be typing all words now. Oh, okay, okay. Begin typing now. That was pretty good, but I know you can do even better. Look at the video here. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Hey, why do I say that? What's the matter with you? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's me. Sorry. Can you see me, princess? Princess. Mm. Hey, I'm a thirsty. You want something to drink? Oh boy, that was a tough lesson. But I bet if we do it again, it's gonna be easier. Well, that's the fire menu. You have a nice place here. Oh, I can swim very fast when someone is chasing me. Mario's a slash and a dash. That was pretty cool. Let's see if we can go even faster next lesson. Oh, that wasn't quite as fast as the last time. Are your fingers getting tired? Mine would be by now. If I had me. Hey, are you ready to Mario says? Okie dokie, you do just like Mario, okay? One, very good. Two, and three. Oh, sorry, that's a hard for you, but easy for me. You know why? I ain't got nobody. Nobody. Hey, don't leave me all alone. Hey, where's everybody? Come back. Whoa, Mario's Salvador. Very scary. My nose is a funny thing species game. Now look back on our standing still. Oh, we slipped a little bit. Now let's get back in there and try real hard to get better. That's in the lessons menu. If you're ready, go for it. Oh, boy, it makes me so happy. I'm alive, baby. Okie let's do the next lesson. Okie I'm ready to run. Oh, there's a student menu. Welcome to the outside world. You want to be typing one letter at a time. I know you can do it. Right, anybody got a typing board?